Hello, and thank you for tuning into another JD channel video, in which today we're working on the budget-friendly Integra. I don't know why my lens is out of focus. Let's see if I can focus this right here. This is of course the Integra that we purchased for $250, and we're gonna just do a general check. So today we're using a compression tester. I rented one from my local O'Reilly's. So open it up, see what's going on, and of course follow the instructions listed, and should be a successful and easy job. So this you connect into the spark plug holes after following the following instructions, which it did tell me to run the car. I didn't think you had to operating temperature, so I drove it a little bit, and now I'm gonna get started and follow the instructions. Now first it tells you to remove the fuel pump fuse. Let's see where it is. I'm gonna actually open this fuse box. Let's see here. It might actually be under the hood. Yeah, it appears it's under the hood, so going under the hood. Alright, go pop the hood open. Let's take a look at what we got here. Try and do this one-handed. Come on. There we go. Alright, dirty engine bay. Now go look for the fuel pump fuse on the side fuse box. See here, alright, there it fuses. Just to focus a little. Guess I have to focus it before. There is the fuse box, so we need the fuel pump. I couldn't figure out which one to pull, and people pull the blue 15, which is the ECU one. Ooh, sorry for that. It's the ECU one. Pull it, now use your fuse puller, pull it out, and just to make sure, also disconnect the distributor. Now these are suggested steps obviously, so I mean I would consult just to make sure, but let's see what the results are. Distributor has two plugs. One, two, well actually I guess there's three. Then I pulled the one underneath, just pulled it down. And let's give it a try. Now begin to take out the spark plugs. Some people take out all four. I'm going to do it one by one, starting with the one at the end. Now take the good old 5/8 spark plug socket, connect it to an extension, and take them one by one. It's always important to check the spark plugs. This doesn't look too bad. I thought it looked worse. And also remember to put it back in the right order and connect it to the distributor. That's why I'm taking it out one by one, just to make sure. Now let's give this a go. Okay, now take the compressor testing kit and connect the spark plug attachment like so. And okay, there is a reset button here, just to make sure that you start out at 0. Make sure it's on there snug. And now you want to hand tighten them in the hole. Okay, and now you want to turn it to, they say 3 to 4 revolutions. So basically just turn it a few times, and then don't forget to write down the results. Alright, so let's give this a try. It's hell out of focus, but let's take a look at what the results are. try that again. Now, of course, dry and wet, you're going to have different results, but the first one came up to 120, which is kind of interesting. Let me look that up. Okay, now on to number 2. Number 1 was kind of fun. See what that comes out to. Yeah, 120. So maybe it's normal. Also the same. That's kind of weird. Alright, and take out number 4. Alright, that looks okay. Put this one back in. Yep. Ah, crap. Okay, let's try this again. See, the last one was a little higher, so I guess that's an okay sign. Hopefully.
And once you're done, don't forget to put back the spark plugs. It suggests online it's at 13 foot-pounds, which after stripping some things before under 20 foot-pounds, I usually just torque it my best. I do have a inch-pound torque wrench that I borrowed, so I actually went by the nanometers where it said 18 nanometers and seemed to do the trick, because that one's a lot more gentler than my big torque wrench. Don't forget, of course, to plug back everything in the distributor. Then ensure your car has a source of fuel. Put back, if you took out the ECU fuse, thing is going to be straight in there. Be sure that's not a spare fuse one. Put the cover back. I don't know what the guy did with the other little stick for the battery holder, because I have the holder in the trunk, but I don't know where it is, so let's find out. Now the moment of truth. To ensure that you did everything correctly, make sure it starts. Whew! That's good. I'm glad it started. I was afraid because some people said they blew up the distributor. Well, that concludes an interesting JD channel video. gonna run those numbers to my other mechanic. Even though I do a lot of things, there are some things I have him do that I want to touch, like valve adjustments. I might do the timing belt, but I'm not sure. But at least I know what the readings are, and hopefully it's a good sign. Thank you for tuning in, and hope to see you again. And hopefully I swap out that radio by then. Take care.